of April 2020, the first ever aviation brigade in the British Army formed up, bringing with it a new structure, new doctrine, and brand new way of fighting. Contemporary threats elicit a contemporary response, and the world of aviation is no different. The brigade based on a brand new way of fighting, which is effectively summed up in its motto, fly, fight, lead. Combining the advanced reconnaissance capabilities of the Wildcat helicopter of 1st Regiment Army Air Corps (AAC) together with the attacking firepower of the Apache helicopter used by 3rd and 4th Regiment AAC, 1st Aviation Brigade is designed to unite the resources previously split between the Aviation Reconnaissance Force and the Attack Helicopter Force, and as a brigade is a capability distinct from previous air mobile and air assault brigades. As well as the tasks conducted by 5th Regiment AAC and their Gazelle helicopters, the reservists of 6th Regiment AAC and the Specialist Aviation Mechanical Engineers of 7th Battalion Royal Electrical and Mechanical Engineers complete the lineup of brigade units. The environment in which the British Army and UK's allies are now operating in is changing and continues to evolve at pace. The new world sees our adversaries engaging in operations that require our soldiers to operate across a broad spectrum of operations implemented to protect our homeland, all whilst persistently engaging and constraining our adversaries abroad. As the way of the military evolves, it places a focus on what combat aviation needs to be prepared for. To meet such challenges, 1st Aviation Brigade will generate a combat aviation force in order to deploy on operations, which will possess the capacity to concurrently plan, execute and sustain multiple aviation maneuvers, and scale up and down in size and power as required. As well as looking to the future and meeting emerging threats with world-class equipment, the British Army must also acknowledge that the formation of the 1st Aviation Brigade ties together a long history of Army aviation, particularly that of the 24th Air Mobile Brigade. The 1st Aviation Brigade flash is a pair of red Griffon wings on a background horizontally halved on the colors of the Army Air Corps. It was in the guise of the 24th Air Mobile Brigade where Army Air Corps units would first wear these Griffon wings. These were lost from the insignia when 24th Air Mobile Brigade combined with elements of 5th Airborne Brigade to become 16 Air Assault Brigade in 1999. However, the Army Air Corps has veterans and serving soldiers alike who wore the Griffon wings as part of the 24th Air Mobile Brigade, and therefore a history that links us back to them. This resurrection of the emblem as part of the new 1st Aviation Brigade maintains this vital link to Army Air Corps history and reminds us that we cannot lead into the future without recognizing both its origins and unique capability. As this formation begins a new chapter in Army aviation history, the 1st Aviation Brigade's antecedents and capability is clear. The brigade's success will be born in the coming months and years, a brigade that operates within an army that thinks aviation maneuver. A brigade that flies, fights, and leads.